It's a nice fall day here before the weather turns inclement. And I thought I'd put out a short video of some things that are going on the farm. We're making some progress on getting the meat and stuff going. It's starting to become deer hunting season, and thankfully they're in the beans. This is good, and when I mean them, I mean the combines. Anytime the custom combines hit the beans, it's a good thing for us. First of all, it means that for our goat feed, there's going to be true roasted soybeans in the area, and we really appreciate that. Second of all, when they start picking the beans, drives those deer better into the woods, which makes deer hunting a lot easier. And since that's coming up on Saturday, we're feeling really blessed that our biggest bean fields are being taken out right now. So as you can see, the combine's in it. We were blessed to get some aerial footage. My daughter was able to fly today, even though the weather here in the last few days has been cold and windy. Today was a much better day, which is fantastic. So as you can see, there's a little bit of dust coming out of the combine. That's a good sign. That means the beans are dry and things are coming in well. So at this point, the game plan is work towards hunting. We've got the pigs all butchered. We've got the layers all situated for winter. We're working on tilling up the garden as we speak. And once that's done, we can kind of move on to the more fallish type projects, which is, winterizing the hoses and the water systems and making sure that barns are put in order before they're closed up for the year. But I just thought it was cool to tell everybody kind of what's going on here in the first week here of November as we just get past All Hallows Eve and enjoy All Saints Day here, and then turn around and see that the beans are coming out. It's just a nice blessing to see on the farm. Anytime you have a farm that, can't afford a combine, which is one like us, you're always relying on your neighbor's fields and your neighbor's crops and what the co-op has and stuff like that. So we always wish them the best as they're picking. We want them to be safe. We want the custom combiners to do a great job. So appreciate you liking and watching. Just a fun video of just showing some aerials of them picking beans. Thanks.